Guys, today I'm going to be rating every single one of my slimes. I have 6 slimes in total, so get ready. The first one we're doing is this Squishmallow strawberry one, and this is a cloud slime. I played with this one in my last video. It has amazing bubble pops. It's so stretchy and so squishy, and it's scented like strawberries. And I really like this slime because of that. It has sprinkles in it, and the color of it is very pretty. Guys, I have a wood desk, so when I play with the slime on it, it gets stuck to it. But anyways, I really like this slime. It's pretty, it's fun to play with, it smells good. I rate this one a 9.5. Because if there's more charms in it, it would be nicer. The next one is this mint chocolate. It's mint chocolate squishmallow slime, and it's scented like chocolate, and it's a cloud slime too. So this one is just like the strawberry one, except the color and the scent is different. It's a cloud slime. It's a squishmallow slime. It smells like chocolate. It smells good, and it's squishy and stretchy, just like the other one. And it's really fun to play with. I like the color, and I love the scent. I will rate this a 9 out of 10 because I like it, but you know, it could be better. This next one is one I combined the mint one and the strawberry one, and it turned out to be this color. It's like a magenta pink, I guess. It's nice and stretchy, it's squishy, and I don't really know what it's gonna smell like. Let me smell it. It smells like chocolate and strawberry milk mixed. So it's really pretty, and it smells amazing. I really like it. I will give this an 8 just because it's a small slime. But honestly, it's not so bad, I guess. Amazing bubble pops. Love the color. Love the scent. So, you know. If you're wondering what that bang noise is, it's because, like, when I, do this, it moves my desk. Because my desk is against the wall. So when I do that, the desk hits the wall. And it sounds like that, like this. And that's why the camera also shakes when it does that. Anyways, I'm going to rate that one a 7 out of 10. The next one is this Kind Candy. It's like a water slime, but it's also, like, better than that. Yeah, it has sprinkles in it. It's really cute. It was pink, but then when I started playing with it more, it turned gray. It's like a water slime, but it also sometimes does bubble pops. Not that much, though. You can still stretch it. Like, it's not a water slime, it's just jiggle. Like, this one stretches a little, too. I don't like it that much because it's a water slime. And, bro, when I got it at the store, it said it was a cloud slime. This is not a cloud slime. And the slime is really wet all the time. And I don't like that. And then sometimes it'll leave, like, a wet tint. Like, a tint of, like, wet because the slime is wet. It's really annoying when it does that. It'll leave, like, and yeah, it does that. It's every surface. You can see the wet stain right there. I It's honestly a 5.5. My next slime is this lavender boba tea slime. This one said it was a crystal clear slime. It's scented like boba. So it smells like boba. It has little stars in it like the other one I just showed you. But the only bad thing about it is it doesn't stretch. It's one of those rippy ones. I hate those types. So yeah, I can't even make bubble pops. And this slime is always wet too. So, you know, I can't make bubble pops. The only thing I can do is literally throw it at the desk and squish it. And for that, I'm not even going to play with it. I'm just going to straight rate it a 3. The last one, though, is a mint chocolate chip one. Yeah, I have 2 mint ones. It literally says super stretch on it. As you can see, it literally says it. I'm going to play with this. But I'm just letting you know, this is not stretchy at all. Look, watch. Okay, let me stretch it. It just ripped. Let me show you. When I try to stretch it, it's like, it's only the ones you can poke and squish. Even though it said it was super stretchy. It does smell like mint chip, and it has little foam beads in it. So, I like that. But other than that, I'm really mad at it. Because I can't do anything with it. Except, like, throw it. It's like a bouncy kind of. Yeah, I'm rating that it's 1. I hate this slime. But that's going to be it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.